Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video I'm going to do a oval wooden pour. I'm just going to pour over something that's old and I don't like anymore. I'm going to try a half and half, so half white, half black, and I'm going to do a blowout of a bloom in the middle and some pretty metallics. So stick around and watch how I do it. Okay, everyone. So I'm going to pour some black. And some white. Okay, I don't want to put too much paint down, but this base is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic mixed with the Sargent pouring medium. Oops. All right. Okay, so I've got some Deco Art silver. These, the metallics take more pouring medium than the regular Americana paint. I did this like equal parts plus a little bit. Okay, so here's some silver. All right, so then I've got some True Blue Americana. I added a bit of pearl medium to this just to give it a little more shiny paint. Which is this stuff here. Pearlescence mixing medium. Gives it a little bit of a shine. I didn't add much. All right, so now I've got some Jadeite Deco Art Extreme Sheen. All right, so now some gold. This is Deco Art 24 karat gold. I almost feel like doing a swipe. With this way I'm laying the paints down, you could do a swipe or a bloom blowout. But I said I was doing a blowout, so I'm going to do a blowout. And this is a Americana Brilliant Purple. Had a nice day today with my sisters. We haven't got together in about a year and a half, I guess. And we exchanged Christmas presents that we couldn't exchange before because we couldn't get together. It was kind of neat. We just had a nice visit in the backyard on a beautiful day. Sat around, had some drinks, some food, caught up with everything. A couple of husbands were there too. It was nice, very nice. All right, so I'm going to add my black CA. This is already pouring off here. I'll use this one. Those are pretty colors. These straws get wet. I think I have too much paint for this little thing. Oh, I can never decide. I can never figure it out. Sometimes I don't put enough. Sometimes I put too much. Okay, so let's see. I'll just do some squiggly lines. I think I need a new skewer. I'm gonna lose half of this. All right, let's spin her out. Something moving under here. Oh, looks like I got a low battery. Okay, let's spin her out. Whoa, look at that. Oh, we need some more off there. Looks like I might have to add a little white here. It's funny how just the middle is moving. It's weird. I don't know if I like this now. I liked it at the beginning. Well, it's colorful. I have another one. And I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to swipe it, I think. I'm going to let this dry. See how it dries. Just make sure my sides are covered. Yep, they look like they're all good. There. Okay. Hi everybody. This is my dried oval wooden modified bloom. Look at that shine. That gold's great. The metallics. And that pouring medium helps it dry shiny also. Very pretty. Thanks for watching and have a great day.